A new weapon with potentially earth-shattering power emerges in the high-stakes armory of global superpowers. The trusty old workhorse of the sky, the C-17 Globemaster III, now packs a punch with a terrifying secret: REVOLVER. The spinning barrels of this device are reminiscent of a classic revolver, but it does not fire bullets. It unleashes hypersonic missiles, capable of obliterating entire cities. The revolver system is more than just an homage to its namesake's firepower. It's a revolution. These missiles are launched with unstoppable force by the C-17's electromagnetic catapult system, turning it into a powerhouse missile carrier capable of swift, long-range strikes. With this advancement, the US military significantly beefed up its arsenal, primed and ready to take on the hypersonic superweapons of China and Russia. However, despite its awesome power, the revolver system faces a tough road ahead. With its jaw-dropping Mach 20 speed, the Russian nuclear-capable avant-garde missile casts a long, terrifying shadow as a stark reminder that the race for hypersonic dominance is far from over. Even with the revolver's incredible capabilities, one question lingers: will it be enough to keep the United States ahead in the hypersonic tech race? The trusty C-17 Globemaster III, a stalwart in the skies, is celebrated for its unmatched flexibility and capability. Developed by McDonnell Douglas, now Boeing, this large military transport aircraft is engineered for the rapid strategic delivery of troops and cargo to forward operating bases. The Globemaster III boasts an impressive maximum payload capacity, allowing it to carry a staggering 170,900 pounds of cargo. This immense carrying capability enables the aircraft to transport a wide array of oversized and heavy equipment, including the M1 Abrams main battle tank, which weighs in at a hefty 69 tons. Its impressive range stretches approximately 2,400 nautical miles without refueling, even with a payload of 164,900 pounds, cruising at speeds around 450 knots. The C-17 has been a workhorse in numerous military operations, proving its versatility in combat missions, humanitarian relief efforts, and aeromedical evacuations. Its ability to operate from short, austere airfields and airdrop 102 paratroopers makes it indispensable for a wide range of tactical missions. From Operation Enduring Freedom to Iraqi Freedom, the C-17 has been a critical player, and its contributions to humanitarian missions highlight its global reach and reliability. Now, with the integration of hypersonic technology, the C-17's potential is set to soar to new heights with the X-51A Wave Rider, a marvel of modern missile technology that pushes the boundaries of speed and performance. This cutting-edge hypersonic missile, born from a collaboration between Boeing and the US Air Force, is a sight to behold as it streaks across the sky at mind-boggling velocities. Powered by a sophisticated scramjet engine, the X-51A Wave Rider can accelerate to an astonishing Mach 6, leaving even the swiftest aircraft in its wake. The X-51A Wave Rider's sleek, wedge-shaped airframe allows the missile to cover immense distances in mere minutes, closing in on its targets with breathtaking speed and unrivaled precision. However, launching and operating hypersonic missiles is no small feat. The extreme speeds generate intense heat and stress on the missile structure, demanding advanced materials and engineering solutions. Integrating these missiles with platforms like the C-17 involves complex modifications and rigorous testing to ensure seamless compatibility and operational reliability. Despite these challenges, the successful deployment of hypersonic technology on the C-17 promises to open a new frontier in warfare, dramatically enhancing the US military's strategic arsenal. The REVOLVER system is a groundbreaking advancement in missile launch technology, mainly designed to fit within the cargo compartments of the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. This innovative system fundamentally transforms the aircraft's capabilities, allowing it to launch multiple hypersonic missiles, specifically the X-51A Wave Rider, in quick succession. The REVOLVER system operates on a dual-drum mechanism, with each drum capable of holding 6 hypersonic missiles. This setup enables the sequential launching of up to 12 missiles, thanks to an advanced electromagnetic catapult mechanism. As the name suggests, the drums revolve to position each missile for launch, ensuring rapid deployment. The system not only maximizes the missile carrying capacity of the C-17, but also enhances its operational flexibility by allowing for continuous firing without the need for reloading mid-mission. One of the primary advantages of the REVOLVER system over traditional launch methods is its seamless integration within a versatile and widely used aircraft like the C-17. Unlike dedicated missile launch platforms, that demand significant infrastructure and are limited in scope. The C-17's existing infrastructure allows for rapid and flexible deployment. This transformation turns the C-17 into an agile missile carrier, capable of striking targets with hypersonic precision and speed, giving the U.S. military a decisive edge in modern combat scenarios. Comparatively, the Revolver system outshines other missile launch systems with its automated, high-capacity launch capability, dramatically reducing preparation time and enhancing deployment efficiency. Furthermore, its ability to be updated with mission parameters while airborne provides unmatched operational flexibility and adaptability. The integration of the Revolver system into the C-17 Globemaster III transforms this already versatile aircraft into a next-generation hypersonic missile carrier. Modifying the C-17 to accommodate this system involves extensive engineering to ensure the launcher fits within the aircraft's cargo compartment. Reinforcements are made to the cargo floor to handle the additional weight and secure the system against the forces exerted during missile launches. This ensures that the primary transport capabilities of the C-17 remain uncompromised while adding a significant new capability. A crucial aspect of this integration is ensuring the safe separation of missiles during launch. The Revolver system employs an advanced electromagnetic catapult mechanism to propel the missiles out of the cargo hold. This technology is designed to minimize the risk of collision between the missiles and the aircraft, maintaining a safe distance and trajectory for each launch. Launching hypersonic missiles generates extreme forces, including intense heat and high aerodynamic pressure. The Revolver system addresses these challenges with robust materials and advanced engineering solutions. The missiles are housed in drums, providing additional protection against thermal and mechanical stresses. The electromagnetic catapult helps distribute these forces evenly, reducing the impact on the aircraft's structure. Operating the Revolver system requires specialized training for the C-17's crew. This includes familiarization with the system's controls, emergency procedures, and maintenance protocols. Simulated training environments prepare the crew for various scenarios they might encounter during a mission. Detailed operational procedures ensure the seamless integration of missile launch operations with the C-17's existing capabilities. Handling the overwhelming forces outputted by the X-51A, the Revolver system will require regular inspections and servicing to ensure all components function correctly. This includes checking the integrity of the launch drums, the electromagnetic catapult, and the missile housing units. Although the Revolver system has been unveiled and demonstrated through virtual images and videos, it has yet to be fully integrated and operational on the C-17 aircraft itself. But imagining how it might look in action can provide us with a glimpse of how future warfare might play out. As the sun begins to set over the vast desert, the C-17 Globemaster III, now equipped with the Revolver system, soars silently at a high altitude. The dual-drum launcher system is prepped and ready within its cargo hold, each drum housing 6 X-51A Waverider hypersonic missiles. The aircraft is on a critical mission, demonstrating the potential for rapid, long-range strikes that could redefine modern warfare. The Revolver system comes to life, and its electromagnetic catapult mechanism is preparing to launch the first missile. The first X-51A is propelled out of the cargo hold with a slight hum, quickly accelerating to speeds exceeding Mach 5. In a matter of seconds, it's out of sight, streaking towards a distant target over 1,000 miles away. The C-17, now a high-speed missile launcher, continues to release its payload, each missile following a precise trajectory for its designated target. This capability fundamentally changes the dynamics of aerial combat. The ability to launch multiple hypersonic missiles from a single aircraft enables rapid response to emerging threats, providing a tactical advantage that could deter adversaries from engaging in combat. On a strategic level, the impact of such technology on the global balance of power is profound. Nations equipped with the ability to launch hypersonic missiles from versatile platforms like the C-17 can project power across vast distances quickly and efficiently. This capability enhances offensive operations and strengthens deterrence, as potential adversaries must now account for the rapid and unpredictable deployment of hypersonic weapons. As the last X-51A missile leaves the C-17, Mission Control receives confirmation of successful impact on all targets. The aircraft turns for home, its crew aware that they just demonstrated a significant leap in military capability. With its potential for rapid, long-range strikes, the Revolver system has indeed changed the game.